starts now with meteorologist Eric Johnson.
Happy Tuesday. We had a very wet start to the work week, especially up in Cut Bank, where we picked up about 7/10 of an inch of rain. So we're now at about 2.34 inches of rain so far this month, which makes this the wettest July since 1998, so about 27 years. We still have a few days of the month left to go. We also picked up about 1.84 inches of rain up on the Blackfeet Reservation, 1.39 in Browning, and about 9/10 in Wolf Point. We also saw some rain moving through Great Falls yesterday with that storm that moved through in the evening. Malmstrom picking up over a half an inch of rain. Now we have an area of low pressure off to our west that's going to keep those showers and storms in our forecast for today. They'll be a little bit more widely scattered and not as strong as yesterday. But temperatures will stay pretty cool. We're looking at highs again in the 50s and 60s. These were the high temperatures yesterday, got up to about 58 in Cut Bank, 67 in Great Falls. We should be closer to 86 at this point in the year, so we're a good 20 degrees below average. We got up to about 75 in Lewistown. Now this morning, most areas are waking up to the 50s. We're starting to see more rain developing across the High Line and into Glacier County, and then some widely scattered showers across parts of central and eastern Montana. And we'll look at some sunshine trying to peek through a little bit later this morning, but those clouds will eventually win out and we'll see some showers and storms again this afternoon and evening. And over in Helena, we'll likely see our temperatures topping out in the mid 70s. And again, you may see some sunshine peeking through. I think we'll see less overcast than what we did yesterday. And then moving through this afternoon and evening, there is a chance for some gustier winds, especially for areas along and west of I-15, where we could see some gusts of 30 to 40 miles an hour. And we may see some of those gustier winds getting as far east as Chester for today. But then those winds will die down into tonight. Now again, as we move through this morning into the afternoon, we'll start to see more showers and storms developing. Most of the severe weather is going to stay well off to our south and east towards Billings. But again, we still could see a quick thunderstorm throughout today. And then going into Wednesday morning, we start to see that rain shifting towards eastern Montana. We'll see those clouds gradually clearing from west to east for some sunshine in the afternoon and evening. Should be a pretty nice Wednesday for us as those temperatures start to warm up a little bit. And we're not expecting much more rain in central Montana. Most areas will see less than 1/10 of an inch. The only exception will be Judith Basin and Fergus counties, where we could see over a quarter of an inch of rain in some of those heavier showers and storms. And eastern Montana will also continue to see some rain over the next couple of days. We're also going to see some wildfire smoke moving in from Canada for the High Line, so it may get a little bit hazy at times. I'm not expecting any major impacts to air quality. And for the rest of central Montana, really no impact from wildfire smoke. Temperatures into the 70s today for most of us. A few spots will actually be stuck in the 60s. Again, unseasonably cool for this time of year. We should be into the low to mid 80s for most of us. We'll get up to about 59 in Cut Bank. Nice and warm over towards Havre, but we could see a passing storm. And then we'll look at 70s also for northeastern Montana. And then we will heat those temperatures up beyond that. We'll look at highs up to 90 degrees on Thursday and into the low to mid 90s for Friday. This weekend stays pretty warm as well with lots of sunshine. And in Helena, we'll also see that warm up temperatures into the low 80s on Wednesday and then into the 90s for Thursday and Friday.
I'm John Matteries. When you buy furniture or a major